George here. Welcome to this video where I show you how to play the Rolling Stones' Miss You on guitar and harmonica. So for guitar, we'll go through the chords and some rhythms that you can play on that. And the harmonica, well, it's played in second position on the album and requires a lot of bending. So I'll show you how to do that, but I'll also show you how to go to third position and we don't need to bend at all. Okay, so a couple different ways on playing the harmonica. And for the guitar, a lot of bar chords. So I'll also show you an easier way with some open chords if your bar chords aren't really happening. Right on. Okay, so Miss You. Key of A minor. And we'll start here with this A minor on the 5th fret. Bar on the 5th fret. And then our third finger up on that 5th string on the 7th fret. And our 4th finger up on the 4th string on the 7th fret. Right. And we need a D minor 7. So our bar stays on that 5th fret. Our second finger goes on the 2nd string in the 6th fret. And our third finger goes on the 4th string in the 7th fret. And we'll be hammering that on. Right? Okay, so for the rhythm, let's keep a simple rhythm going to put in behind the harmonica because we don't want to be thinking too much about what we're doing with the guitar when we're trying to put the harmonic over top, right? So we're going to do this 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So down, up, down, up. And then we'll go to the D minor 7. So we'll do 2 bars, right? 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 Right? Up, down, up. Okay, so when we do this, the first one on the 1, it gets cut off, right? We're going to mute it right away. We're not going to let that one ring out. We'll let the second one ring out, the one that comes on the offbeat. Down, up, short, long, right? So to mute that, we can just release the bar. We can also do a little palm mute at the same time. Right? No problem. Okay, so that's doing bar chords. If your bar chords aren't really happening, let's do it down in the open string. There's our A minor. So our sounds a little different, right? Because our voicing's a little different. So we're not going to sound exactly like what's going on the album, but hey, if this is what we've got to do, this is what we got to do, right? Putting our own version together. So there's A minor. And then our D7 here is, we're going to take it's kind of like our F chord, right? Our easy F chord, taking that 3rd finger off. So we got a bar on that first 2 strings in the 1st fret. 2nd finger goes on the 3rd string in that 2nd fret, and that's it. And we want to muffle that 6th string. We're really concentrating on the top 4 strings. The 5th string here is A. That's the 5th of our chord, so we can play it. But you know, there we go. Okay, that kind of idea. So there's an easier way to play it if your bar chords aren't happening too good. All right. So you can add a 16th rhythm to that. So right now we're kind of going easy in our 8th note strum, 1, 2, and 3, 4. But if you speed that up, so instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, we double that and put in some upstrokes. And that's our 16th note rhythm. Taking my first finger there and sticking it down on the 8th fret on that 1st string, and and we've got the 16th note strum going here, right? But a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and so it's 1E and a, so 1 and, so on the and of 2, so it's 1E and a 2 and a 4 and 1E and 1 and that kind of idea, right? So that's the 16th note strum. So that's kind of a next level up here in our strumming, is to get that 16th note strum. throw that in. We can also kind of throw in a little triplet rhythm when we're on our D minor 7. We can go E, E minor 7, E flat, minor 7, D minor 7. Kind of like this. It's a triplet feel. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. One Layla. So it's in the second bar on our D minor 7. It's 1 Layla 3, 4. That's how it's counted in a triplet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 Layla 3, 4. Okay, so there's a couple of little rhythms we can throw in there when we're doing it to make it more, just to challenge ourselves a little bit. Our harmonica. We're in the key of A minor. Let's go to second position. So we go up a fourth from A. That gets us to D. A, B, C, D. So I've got a D harmonica in here. Okay, so our root note when we're on the D harmonica, right, we're trying to make an A chord, right? We're in this key of A minor, so we need to be making that A minor chord. Our root note is going to be draw 2. Now it starts off on the flat 7. So this is going to be a draw 2 with a double bend. And then we'll release it to draw 2. And then we go to a blow 4 on that downbeat. So it kind of has a pickup to it. Blow 4, and then we're going to go to a draw 3 single bend. And then draw 2, double bend, draw 2, back to draw 2. Right? It does that twice. So double bend, draw 2, draw 2. Blow 4, draw 3 single bend, draw 2, double bend, draw 2. Do that twice. Okay? Then we're going to go to the D7. We're going to start with a double bend on the draw 2. To a draw 2. Then we're going to draw 3 single bend, back to draw 2. And that's on the D minor 7 chord. Okay, so let's try that again. Pick up. 4 and. So this really happens at the end of the line. Okay, so just run that a couple of times slow. So to pick out the melody on the guitar here, there's A. That's our root note. Now the melody starts, or the riff starts on the flat 7, which is going to be G, which is here in the 5th fret on that 4th string, right? So it starts there and goes to A, G, A. And we're going to go to the 3rd string on the 7th fret, 5th fret, back to the 7th fret on the 4th string. Okay, just those 4 notes. And so put the harmonica with that in second position. We're going to start with a double bend. All right, so that's second position. We got a lot of these bends going on. Double bend on draw 2, single bend on draw 3. All notes in our blues scale when we're in second position. Now, if you can't do the bending, right? That's the difficult way to do it. So that's our D harmonica. Now we're going to go to third position. So if we were on our D harmonica, we go up another position, D, E, F sharp, G. Okay, so we're going to go to a G harmonica here. Pop that in there. And now our A minor chord, which is what we're trying to do, starts on a draw 4, but we can put that whole chord together. Draw 4, 5, 6. When we're in third position, that draw 4, 5, 6 is that whole chord. So that's a full A minor chord. So now, to do this without bending, we're going to start blow 4, draw 4. Okay, then blow 6, draw 5, draw 4. Blow 4, draw 4. So, blow 4, draw 4. Blow 6, draw 5, draw 4, blow 4, draw 4. Go to the A, D minor 7, blow 4, draw 4, draw 5, draw 4. Okay, so blow 4. So pick up. Okay, right on. So that's third position. So, you know, we don't have to do any bending at all. That's easier, right? So there is a bridge to the song. So there's a few more chords to put the whole thing together. After one of those do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Then we're going to go to the bridge, and it starts on an F. And this is going to bring this all the way up to the 8th fret bar, and then a little bar across our 10th fret. So that's F. Then we're going to go to E minor 7. So this is our D minor 7. We're just up here on the 7th fret. Down to the 5th fret, our D minor 7. Then we'll go to a C sharp minor 7. Do that, do bop. Back and forth like that, right? Do it again. F. E minor 7. D minor 7. And then it goes to an E7. Come on, come on. Right on. So that's Miss You. 2 different harmonicas. We can play it, you know, with our bar chords, and we can also kind of simplify it there if you need to. A couple of different rhythms we can throw in there just to make it all interesting. We've also got that bridge section, right? So that's all you need to put that whole thing together. Right on. See you in the next one.